Hello guys, welcome to Amazon TV. I hope you're okay. Guys, listen to what the President of Africa is saying now after realizing that South Africans are no longer interested in voting for him.
I want to speak about the xenophobia and Afrophobia that you have practiced here in South Africa today. And I want to challenge you. You say Zimbabweans take your job, Nigerians take your jobs, and you march and close shops and beat up people. Tell us, after doing that, how many jobs have you created? By beating up these Nigerians, by beating up these Ghanaians, by beating up these Zimbabweans, loading them. If you load them, I've not seen anyone being loaded. No one. And you say they take jobs from you. You have beat them up, you have taken them out of the country. How many jobs have you created after that? Because the battle should be about jobs.
Malema, go and ask i-Labour desk that question, because South Africans are working right now. Those who are removing illegal immigrants from those companies, they are replacing them with South Africans. Go and ask Ilako.
You beat people because they took your jobs. They ran away. You close a shop that hires 5 people and say they take our jobs. After closing that jobs, how many jobs have you created? Unskilled men with no skill, none whatsoever, say somebody took their job. The only skill they know is to drink Intelis, Impesu, and all of that nonsense, and want to pretend like they are revolutionary as it were. I don't want your vote if you behave like that. Take them away. If the MK wants it, give it to them. I don't want the votes that says to me, I must hate Africans for you to vote for me. I'll never do that. That I must go take an African child out of school, proud elderly person, pushing a child, an African child that looks like you. I must go to a school and push a child that looks like Opano. My child, I said, get out of school. The same way apartheid did, and push Lindiwe Zulu out of school, Lindiwe Zulu out of school, and saying, you are not worthy of education. I must repeat that. I must do that. I will never do that. You can take your votes. Let me die with my conscience very clear. I will never refuse a pregnant woman of African descent to give birth in the clinics of South Africa. Never will I do that. I did not join politics because I wanted to be anything. I joined politics because I saw it as a necessity to unite and fight the apartheid system and deliver the economic freedom to our people. I don't want anything from anyone. Whether you jail me for 5 years, for 7, I don't care. The reason why I'm appealing you, the reason why I'm challenging, it's not for me. It's for my wife and my kids. I can be this strong. My family might not be this strong. I do it for them.
Malema think he is clever. He's now telling his voters in advance that take your votes to the MK because I will not change my policies. He's saying this because he knows what happens to our last elections, that his voters took all the votes to the MK party. Right now, ufuna ukuthi kuthiwe, Malema did not win because vele he is not there to be voted for. Malema is not there to seek for votes. Malema is just there to fight for Africans. I'm not there for the position. I don't want to be the president. Since when Malema ngasafuna ukuba president of South Africa? We know Malema has been fighting to be the president of this country for many years now. But because now he can see what his party is dropping and dropping, Use decide that now in advance to give us the picture, no, I'm not there for votes. He knows that people are voting for other parties right now, especially his voters are running to the MK. That is why MK party removed him from being number 3 to being number 4. So now he's trying to feed us with these lies that he was not there for the position. He was not there to be voted for. He was just there for Africans. He just joined the politics because of Africans. It's a lie. Ucabanga ukuthi siyingane.
Ke a bona wa machiwa mo ba re batho ba re bona ba batle batho ba o tswa ko ntle ba shapa maZimbabwe ba shapa maGhanaian ba shapa everything ba re hey le ba Limpopo ba shapiwa no ha o sa buisi Zulu wa betho.
He is trying now to create a confusion. He is now trying to create a division between South African tribes, saying if you are not speaking Zulu in South Africa, you will be beaten up. Who does that in South Africa? Yolo baba.
Ha o sa buisi Zulu wa betho. But let's ask a question. After you marched and say you don't want Zimbabweans, you don't want Nigerians, you don't want Ghanaians, you close shops, you march. Why are you not coming back to tell us the following day that after that march, we expelled 10 Zimbabweans, and out of those 10 Zimbabweans, we were able to give 10 South Africans jobs? There is no such a report. Why? Because now kaba kuba ma Zimbabwe, hauna misebetsi, batho bale ba ma Zimbabwe, ba etsa mesebetsi e lona le sa batleng ho e etsa because those are slaves jobs. They don't pay anything. You want proper jobs. You want a job with a pay slip, with an appointment letter, with pension, with medical aid, and you deserve it. I'm not going to take a pregnant woman out of a clinic because she's not South African. She gives birth of an African child at the gate, and that child dies. And you want me to do that and be proud? I did not join politics to be voted for. I was too young when I joined politics. These positions that I have came as a result of my participation. I am not in politics to be elected. I'm in politics to articulate a position of African people who have been oppressed for too long.
Ay umalema ucabanga ukuthi uhlakaniphile. Uyabona manje ukuthi izinto ziyambhedela. Usebona manje ukuthi kungcono ukuthi akhohlise abalandeli bakhe ukuthi he was not joining the politics to be elected. He doesn't want to be the president of this country. Since when? Since when umalema engafuni ukuba umholi? Angithi uyo behleze sitshela ukuthi once I become the president, I will open borders, all Africans will come, all Africans will unite. Akasafuni manje ukuba president because uyabona youth, uyabona ama-video, i-youth idabula ishisa iyikipa imtshela emehlweni ukuthi we are tired of being misled by you. So manje uyabona ukuthi vele there's no way. Since when umalema si-approacha ama-elections ekhuluma kanje, you know each and every time if we are approaching ama-elections, Malema will flip-flop and be against illegal foreigners and be against foreign nationals. But for the first time, umalema is speaking like this even weeks before the elections. Uyabona vele ukuthi it's over. His party is finished. And uyamuzwa noma ekhuluma ukuthi he knows ukuthi he might end up in jail. And akafuni ukuyeka lamanga akhe akhohlisa ngawo lezi ingane ezimlandelayo ukuthi you deserve better jobs. Because those jobs ezithathwa ngama-illegal foreigners vele are for South Africans. The problem is ukuthi bona they take those jobs ngemali encane and ama-employers are taking advantage of that because they know that these people are illegal. Bese bebaholela imali encane without any pension, UIF, and all these other benefits that were supposed to be received by South Africans. Akafuni nje ukuyeka lamanga akhe ukukhohlisa le youth and then nabo-ke beshaya ihlombe bejabule clapping ukuthi umalema ubatshela into e-right eba-misleader. Let's wait and see Malema ukuthi kuzoyenzakalani and sizobona ukuthi ngempela wawuzele ukuzolola ama-Africans noma wawufuna lento, because I don't see the reason why you are still there because vele it's over. Uyabona na ukuthi it's over. Ngabe usiqalela i-organization ozoyisebenzisa to fight for your brothers and sisters from Africa. That's all, because okwe-EFF vele khona uyakubona na ukuthi it's over. Anyways, guys, let me know what you think on the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe, to like and share the video. Love you guys. Bye.